Dear students, today let us discuss substitution method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. I shall explain this method of substitution by taking one example. So example 1. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. I call this equation as equation 1. Another one is x plus 2y is equal to 3. Call this equation as equation 2. The first step here is, what you have to do is, you have to find the value of one variable in terms of another variable. For that purpose, you can select any one of these two equations, whichever is convenient to you. I will consider equation 2. This is the first step. X plus 2y is equal to 3. X equals 3 minus 2y. So what I did here, I have find out the value of one variable in terms of another variable. So I call this as equation 3. Now substitute the value of this variable in another equation. The other equation is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. In that equation, I have to substitute the value of this variable, that is x. So 7 into, in the place of x, I have to write 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2. Now, the other equation has reduced to equation in one variable, and this can be solved. That is 21 monomial into binomial, plus into minus minus, 7 2s are 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. So here minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2 minus 21. So I have to transpose. So minus 29y is equal to minus 19. So y is equal to minus 19 by minus 29. So y is equal to 19 by 29. Now what you have to do is substitute the value of this variable in equation 3 to obtain the value of another variable. So we have find out the value of one variable. So this should be substituted in 3 so that you will get the value of another variable. So let me substitute the value of y in equation 3. X equals 3 minus 2y. X equals 3 minus 2y. X equals 3 minus 2 into y. How much is y? 19 by 29. So x equals 3 minus 38 by 29. On simplifying, you'll get, so the LCM is 29 only. So 29 3s are. It is 7 minus 38. So x equals 17 minus 8, that is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4. 49 by 29. So we have find out both the value of x and y by substitution method. X equals 49 by 29, y equals 19 by 29. Now let me do some problems in exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.3. I'll take one problem. Problem number 4. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. We have two equations. First, what you have to do is multiply both LHS and RHS by 10, both the equations, so that it will be easier to solve the equations. So what happens when it is multiplied by 10? 0.2 becomes 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Here it becomes 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. If two decimal places are there, you can multiply the equation by 100. Okay. So call this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. So you have to follow the same steps. So you have to take any one of these equations, whichever is convenient to you. Express the value of one variable in terms of another. Let me take equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. So I took the value, find out the value of y by considering the equation 1. Now let me substitute the value of this variable, that is y, in equation 2. So 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. You can write here, substitute this in equation, that is 2. So 4x plus 5 into 13 minus 2x by 3 is equal to 23. Here LCM is 3. Multiply all the terms by 3. Multiply by 3. So 4x into 3, it becomes 12x. When this term is multiplied by 3 get cancelled and we left with 5 into 13 minus 2x. You have to multiply this term also by 3. You have to multiply the equation by 3 means you have to multiply each and every term by 3. When it is multiplied by 3, it becomes 12x. When this term is multiplied by 3 get cancelled and we left with 5 into 13 minus 2x. And now we have to multiply this term by 3, that is 69. Now we have to solve for the equation. Now it has been reduced to equation in one variable, 12x plus 65 minus 10x equals 69. 12x minus 10x, 2x equals 69 minus 65. 2x equals 4. Therefore, x equals 2. So substitute the value of x. There you have to substitute. The value of x in equation 3. Y is equal to 13 minus 2x by 3. In this, let me substitute the value of x. What is the value of x? 2. So 13 minus 2 into 2 by 3. Y is equal to 13 minus 4 by 3 y is equal to 9 by 3. So y is equal to 3. So let me solve the question number 2. S minus t is equal to 3. I call this one as 1. S by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. I call this one as equation 2. So let me take equation 1. S is equal to 3 plus t. I call this equation as 3. Substitute the value of S in equation 2. It becomes, in the place of S, how much I have to write? 3 plus t. 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Here, LCM is 6. Let me simplify LHS. 3 2s are 2 into 3 plus t. That is, let me write as it is, plus 2 3s are. So 3 into t. First I have to divide the LCM by this denominator. The quotient is 2. With that quotient I have to multiply the numerator. 2 into 3 plus t. Next I have to divide the LCM by another denominator. 2 3s are. 3 is the quotient. Multiply this quotient with the numerator. 3 into t. 3t is equal to t. 6 plus 2t plus 3t by 6 is equal to t. 6 plus 5t is equal to 6t. 6 is equal to 6t minus 5t. 6 is equal to t, or t is equal to 6. Now substitute the value of this variable in equation 3. S is equal to 3 plus t. S is equal to 3 plus t is how much? 6. So S is equal to 9. So the value of t is 6. The value of S is 9. So let us do another problem. Let me do this. Fifth problem. I will do fifth problem. Root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. I call this equation as 1. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. I call this equation as 2. Now, let me take the equation 2. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Root 3x is equal to root 8y. Transpose this quantity to RHS. X equals root 8 by root 3 into y. Substitute this. I call this one as equation 3. Substitute this value, that is the value of this variable, in another equation, that is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. In this equation you have to substitute the value of this variable which is obtained. Root 2 into root 8 by root 3 into y. In the place of x, I have substituted this the value. Value of x is root 8 by root 3 into y. So in the place of x, I have written root 8 by root 3 into y plus root 3y is equal to 0. Now the equation in two variable has been reduced to equation in one variable. So you can multiply these two, that is root 2 into root 8, root 16, that is square root of 16 is 4, by root 3, 1 into root 3, y plus root 3, y is equal to 0. So you can simplify this, you can find the value of y, you can find out the value of y. by different methods. Here let me take the common factor 4 by root 3. I will take y as common factor. 4 by root 3 plus root 3 is equal to 0. Dear students, this is of the form a into b equals 0. See, if the product of two factors is 0, means one of the factors must be 0. If a equals 0, 0 into b is 0. If b is 0, then also a into 0 equals 0. So this cannot be 0. So the other option is y. So y is equal to 0. So substitute the value of this variable in 3. X equals root 8 by root 3 into y. X equals root 8 by root 3 into what is the value of y? 0. Once again, 0 into anything, 0. So the value of both x and y in this problem is 0 only. Let me do I will do sixth problem. So you have to try to solve the first one and third one. Try to solve these two equations on your own by substitution method. The sixth problem is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. The other one is x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. First let me reduce the equations. First what you have to do is 3x, the LCM, first you can simplify LHS and then you can cross multiply. First I will simplify the LHS first. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3s are. 3 is the quotient. 3 into 3x, 9x. Minus 3 2s are. 2 into 5y, 10y is equal to minus 2. First I have simplified LHS. Now I can cross multiply. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Or you can multiply the whole equation. Multiply the equation 1, I call this one as 2. Equation by the LCM. How much is the LCM? 6. I have to multiply each and every term by 6. 3x by 2 into 6 minus 5y by 3 into 6 equals minus 2 into 6. So 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So 3 3s are 9x minus 5y into 2, 10y is equal to minus 2 into 6 minus 12. See, one and same. Either you simplify LHS and then you cross multiply, or multiply the whole equation by the LCM. So another equation we have here. So multiply the equation by 6 because the LCM of 2, 3 and 6 is 6. X by 3 into 6 plus y by 2 into 6, that is equal to 13 by 6 into 6. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 6 1s are, 6 1s are. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. You can call this one as equation 3 and equation 4. Now it is convenient to solve. So let me take equation 3. Nine x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9x equals 10y minus 12, x equals 10y minus 12 by 9. So let me substitute the value of this variable in 4. The given equations are 1 and 2. I have written in a convenient form and I named them as 3 and 4. From 3, I have expressed the value of one variable in terms of another. Substitute the value of this variable in another equation, that is in the equation 4. Substitute the value of x in 4, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 2 into 10y minus 12 by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. Now, as usual, multiply the LCM of these three terms. The denominator here is 1, here also is 1. Multiply the equation by the LCM, that is 9. So 2 into 10y minus 12 by 9 into 9 plus 3y into 9 is equal to 13 into 9. Here 9 get cancelled. Monomial into binomial, 20y minus 24 plus 3 9s are 27y is equal to 117. So 20y plus 27y, that is 47y is equal to 117. On transposing it becomes plus 24. 47y is equal to 141. Y is equal to 141 by 47. So 47 1s are 47 3s are. So y is equal to 3. Substitute the value of y in equation 5. So we'll get the equation 5 is x equals 10y minus 12 by 9. So in the place of y, I have to write 3. 12 by 3, x equals 30 minus 12 by 3, x equals 18 by 3, x equals 9. X equals 9. Let me check whether the values are correct or not. So here let me select one of the equations. For example, which one? The given problem, it is let me take this one. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Verify. I am just verifying this. 9 into, what is the value of x? 9. To 9 minus 10 into y. That is 3. How much do you get? I am considering only LHS. 81 minus 30. You are getting 51. But that is not equal to minus 12. Here RHS is minus 12. So something is went wrong. Here the LCM is 9. So I have written 3 here. So 9. So 9 1s are 9 2s are. X equals 2. Now let me verify once again. What is the one of the equations you can select? 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Let me consider the LHS. LHS is 9x minus 10y. That is equal to 9 into x is 2. 10 into y is 3. So 18 minus 30. That is minus 12, which is RHS. See. So select LHS and substitute the values which are obtained, and you should get RHS. See here, RHS is minus 12. So dear student, try to solve the remaining two problems on your own. Thank you. Have a nice day.